This ain't no fillers. This ain't no clip-ins, no extensions, no nothing. Y'all see it? You see it? It's me, sis. All of that's me, even though I had to, you know, fluff it out a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But it's me.
And I say the same thing every single time. Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big. Bigger than you ever done it. Keep me up on everything.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angel, and welcome back to another vlog. So y'all, today is Saturday. This is my first time picking up the camera, y'all, because I have been busy all week. It's been crazy because I've been trying to film content, get content out, all of that. So we starting the vlog on a Saturday. So what's up? So babe and I actually headed to one of his friends gender reveal party. So we wore blue because we're team blue. Y'all see babe, he got on his blue. So oh yeah, not team blue, we team boy. So yeah, we team boy. And y'all, my man, babe, he has to do the, what is it called, the burnout? Yeah. He has to do the burnout. And I don't know why I thought the smoke come out like the exhaust thing or whatever. But that's gonna be fun, cause like babe used to, like, he's still into cars, but before we met, like when he was like young or whatever, what you used to do, babe? He used to like race cars and stuff like that. Is this camera focused? Okay, so yeah, he used to like race cars and stuff like that. So I'm excited to see him do that, but I'm also nervous because he said it's been a minute. It's been a minute anyway. No. I'm nervous, y'all, because y'all know safety is everything to me, y'all. I was just fussing at him early this week because we had a tornado warning. Huh? Oh, he probably hated that too, huh? But we had a tornado warning, y'all. I think it was like in several cities in Alabama. So yeah, we had a tornado warning. He was like, I still gotta go do some stuff, and I'm like, you need to sit your ass down. You need to sit it down. But he still went, y'all. But baby's a good driver, okay? He's a good driver, because clearly you guys saw in my last vlog. But I told y'all in my last vlog, I almost got a whole ticket. And y'all know the state trooper tickets do not bullshit, period, okay? So y'all look at my nails, because it's been a minute. Oh, I need some lotion, but look at my nails. See, this is why I missed the Sony ZV-1. They like whatever. But yeah, they're cute. I'll show y'all. They just like red and glitter. So these are my Valentine's Day nails, and then I did my toes red last night. And my hair, y'all can't even see it, but it's in the bun. Y'all see this bun? This all me right here, sis. This ain't no fillers. This ain't no clip-ins, no extensions. So I had to come back real quick. So I was about to say, I don't know why I feel weird vibe vlogging. I was just telling babe that when we were in Atlanta, you guys met Nay. She was on my Atlanta vlog. When we like, it was like a bunch of us couples and stuff we had went. But I was just telling babe, like, it's different, because you know, like being around like at somebody's house, like, you know, I don't know if they want the house on YouTube, but it kind of really don't matter a little bit, because most of y'all follow me like on Instagram and Snap anyway, so you know what I mean. But you know, it's just like a respect thing, I guess, for me, and also privacy. But we'll see, because I don't like my house being, you know, like, y'all seen like my house tour, like the inside of my house, but like as far as the outside, you know, I don't be trying to show too much, because people get weird and people get crazy. So yeah, we'll see. I don't think I'm gonna have a problem with vlogging, but I'm just gonna see. Like, I'll know, like, I get a vibe, not even a vibe, but I'll just know if I should vlog or if I shouldn't vlog. We'll see. Just hold on. Just hold on 1 second. No, nothing. Y'all see it? You see it? It's me, sis. All of that's me, even though I had to, you know, fluff it out a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But it's me, because I don't like a big bun anyway. Like, I like a small bun, and I don't like a tall bun. So yeah, I like a ballerina kind of bun. So yeah, y'all, enough of me talking. I will see you guys if I decide to vlog there. I don't really know, because y'all already know, like, you know, it's not really like my friends, and I don't want to be weird and stuff. But if y'all do see some stuff, it's gonna be like probably either on my camera or on my phone. We'll see. Just stay tuned. So as you guys saw, she is having a boy. I am super excited for them, you guys. This is actually their third child. So they have girls, so they were really hyped to be having a boy. So we are getting ready to head back home. Y'all, I am tired. I'm probably gonna chill, and I really do need to clean up my house. And then I probably do something later because I do want to do something. Babe is going with his friends, so I gotta find me something to do, girl. What we gonna do? What are we doing, sis? Okay, because I don't know if I want to hang out with maybe like a friend, or if I want to do some solo shit, you know, by myself. I don't know. We'll see, because I know when I get home I didn't get a chance to film the video that I was supposed to film today, which is a fragrance video. So when I get home, that's literally got to be the first thing that I decide to do, is to film that video so that y'all can have a Friday video, because I've been lacking. Y'all, look at these contacts. Oh, they look so pretty. Let me get in the sun. And they look so natural, y'all. So yeah, I sound so stuffy, but yeah, I'm gonna film a video, probably like wash my makeup off, take me a nap, and then I'll be ready for nighttime. I'll be ready to be outside. Okay, so this is what my nails are looking like, and as you guys know, I do my own nails at home. So I just did them red. So this is OPI, So Hot It Burns, and then this is just a simple color, red glitter color. If y'all want to know what color it is and everything, I'll be sure to link it down below. And I used the clear nails this time, so you guys can see there's no white underneath. And I love that, because when I hold my hands this way, I feel like it just looks so much better and so much more natural. And I love that jelly look that the clear nails give you once you have like the glitter on top of it. It's so pretty.
Body crazy, curvy, wavy, big titties, little weight. 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 Yaddy 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 yaddy. And if the beat live, you know little too faded. Yaddy 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 yaddy. Kill Peskin. Kill Peskin. Kill Peskin. Kill Peskin. Crazy. Titties. Curvy weight. If it's me, all my features been getting these niggas through the quarantine. If I were me and I would've seen myself, I would have bought me a drink. Took me home, did me long, ate it with the pennies on. 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 With the pennies on. With the pennies on. Ate it with the pennies on. With the pennies on. With the ate it.
I've tried on some clothes, girl. Like, I've done a lot since y'all seen me the last time. It's still the same day though. My face is so tight and ashy, y'all. I didn't put any moisturizer on after I washed my face, because babe and I just came to Buffalo Wild Wings real quick. We were gonna eat here, but we was like, let's just places to go order and take it home. Y'all, look what happened to my nail already. It literally split down the middle, and I don't know why. Like, I'm like, how did that even happen? But y'all know I don't play. So I got my acetone right here, because they gonna be all on or they gonna be all off, like, you know. And then I got this little cup right here. I poured some in this one right here. So I'm just soaking it off so that when I get home, I can just basically put the nail back on, polish it, and then put the gel top coat on in the morning. So tomorrow I'm gonna clean my house, girl, because I've been lazy. I was gonna clean up today, but I just been so lazy. And y'all, babe was supposed to go with his friends this afternoon after we left the gender reveal, but he ended up staying with me. Y'all, I was about to cry. Like, I be missing my man. I be wanting to hang out and stuff with my friends and stuff too, but my friends, like, sometimes, like, I be wanting to be with my man, okay? I love y'all, but I be wanting to be with my man. And vice versa. So he just ended up staying home and we just ended up chilling with each other. And plus it's cold as hell, girl. The car says 38. It is cold. Oh, I hope our food is ready. They said it's gonna be ready at 10:20. And it's 10:17. So hopefully it's ready soon, girl. Cause I'm hungry. So you guys, today is Monday. I ain't talked to y'all in a minute. Well, let me stop lying. Well, yesterday was Sunday and today is Monday. Y'all, I was cute for work today. Y'all see me with the red glasses and the red nails, and my nails are glitter. I showed y'all earlier in this vlog. And my glasses are glitter. These are from Vogue Me, honey. I showed y'all in this last vlog. But I just wanted to show you guys some things that I have recently gotten in the mail and ordered before I put it up, because I be sending stuff out so that I can show y'all what I got and then I put it up, because I don't know, because I be thinking y'all want to see what I got. Don't y'all want to see what I got? I know y'all want to see what I got. So I went to the beauty supply store because one of my units, which is one of my favorite wigs that I have, it's like a longer unit. I actually end up dyeing it, not like a jet black, but a dark black. And I also did my hair too, like my real hair. After I relaxed my hair, I put a rinse in it, and I think it was the I believe it was Miss Clairol. It's a really good one. Maybe the next time I do my hair or something, I'll show you guys like how I relax it, if I want y'all to be seeing me like that, because you know, it get a little rough when it's time to when it's hair day, okay? And it's like the darkest brown kind of that they have. I think it's called like a espresso bean. That's what it's called. And I love how black it is, because I dyed my hair black and before, and I rinsed my hair black. But sometimes I feel like it's just too dark for me. Like, I don't know. Like, maybe I was a little lighter or a little darker, I would like it. But like with my skin tone, I just like a really dark brown. So with that being said, I end up watercoloring the unit to make it darker, because this was like a sandy kind of wig. Like, it was actually like it was too brown. Like, it was just too brown. So I picked up a wig cap today, just a spandex dome wig cap from my local beauty supply store. And I also got this color right here. Like, it's called light brown. It's a 2-piece set for when I do like my lace wigs and stuff like that. I really like that color, especially for like black units and stuff like that. And then I picked up some slouch socks. If you know, then you know, honey. I have been wearing slouch socks for so long, you guys. Like, all when I was in high school, this is all I wore. Like, I had to have every color to match every shoe, period. Like, it was just the thing with your khaki shorts, you know. If you know, then you know. But I picked up this nude color because I thought this would be cute, like even with my Air Forces. This will be cute with my Steve Madden shoes. This would just be cute with, like, I don't know why I got this. I be playing too much. And I meant to get pink and red as well to go with a pair of ones that I have. So yeah, picked up these slouch socks. And then I got a CVS order. I got these Eco Tools brushes, and I picked these up because next vlog, baby and I will be going to back to Atlanta for Valentine's Day, and I needed a travel, I needed some more travel eyeshadow brushes as well as a nose contour brush. And this is good, honey. Like, I'm gonna be using this like for my nose contour brush on it every day. So it comes with these double-sided brushes like that I can blend with, pretty much do everything with. Let me see if this is gonna be a good one for the nose though. Yeah, this is probably a good one. I gotta compare it to my other brush. Or if not, this one will be good. Anyways, we'll figure it out. But I've been loving Eco Tools lately, so I got 2 of those brushes. I'm gonna wash them. And then I picked up some of the Maybelline Sky High mascara. I have been wanting to do like the whole TikTok viral mascara since it's been viral, girl. So I want to do a makeup look with just using mascara, maybe like a bold lip. Y'all seem to really enjoy when I did like the red lip with like the no lashes for Christmas. So I thought that was a vibe, because sometimes you don't always have to wear lashes. And then I got a NYX jumbo pencil. This is just in the shade Black Bean. And this is good because it's good for like smoky eyes, stuff like that. And then I got a brow pencil. This is back from the beauty supply store. This is my favorite brow pencil. So if you want to know, because a lot of you guys asked me about my brows, girl, one of them kind of missing, but no, mind your business. But this is Ruby Kisses brow pencil, and I get the shade Black Brown. they got a new packaging. I just get it from my beauty supply store, y'all. It'd be like $1.99, $2.99. It's not expensive at all. And then I see, I think her name is Princess Reese. I see her use this lip liner a lot. This is the Kiss lip liner, intense lip liner. It's in the shade dark brown, and I love a good brown for when lining my lips, so pick that up, y'all. I think that's all I have to show y'all. No, it's not. I got some more stuff to show y'all, but I just wanted to say that at the beginning of this vlog I look really blue, like the footage was blue. I think I have like one of the settings wrong on this camera. I'm still like trying to maneuver and figure things out on the camera, so I think it was just too much blue. Like I had on blue, like, you know, it was just too much going on. But just excuse that, you know, if you noticed, you know, if you like a techie kind of person. So I got this. They bought me this Baby Bliss Pro Nano Titanium Flat Iron. So when I do my hair, which will probably be Friday after I get off work, I'm gonna be using this bad boy because Valentine's Day I'm wearing a side part. Y'all know I love a good side part, you know, baby hairs, honey, like a nice deep dark brown, because I dyed that unit as well. It's a new unit. It's a V-part wig. I'm gonna wear it silky straight. Oh, it's gonna be lit. Okay, so pick this bad boy up. This took forever to come in the mail, girl. I just got this, and I had ordered this like for Christmas. Like, it's been a long time. And the last thing I have to show y'all are these Pumas, and these are super cute, y'all. I kind of just found these on a whim. Like, maybe I was scrolling on Facebook or something and saw like an ad for them, but I had to get these. How dope are these? I love the gummy bottom. Like, I love the caramel gummy bottom. It is so cute. And this is pretty much what they look like. And just in case y'all want to know, these are, I guess they're called the Maze Women's. So these are called the Maze shoes, and I love their platforms. Fun fact, y'all, babe best friend, like, I got my first pair of platform Crocs, and ever since then, like, I have been loving platforms. Because she was like, girl, you don't wear platform, like sneakers and stuff like that, because you so short and she tall. And I was like, no, I don't. But ever since she told me, like, she was like, you need to try it. Like, I've been on platforms, girl. I got a pair of Vans in my phone right now that I just sent to babe earlier this week, because I want him to buy them for me. He's sitting right over here. Yeah, I want him to buy them for me, because he say he don't never know what to get me, y'all, because I got everything, you know. That's neither here nor there. That might be actual factual, but not really. I'm just trying to like send him random things that I want, so he'll know when it's time for what I want. So yeah, that's all that I have to show you guys. This vlog, y'all, super short, nothing to it. I'm really just chilling. Next vlog I got y'all though, so sorry this vlog was kind of like boring or whatever, but some of y'all like when I actually like be at the house showing y'all stuff or doing nothing or just talking to y'all. So yeah. Oh, and real quick, thank you guys for some of you guys that noticed that I changed my music up. Y'all, it's hard out here trying to find music, and I want, like, you know, I want more like upbeat music that's my style, but it's hard finding music, girl. I think they don't talk about that on YouTube. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, or you are a content creator watching this video, honey, it's hard to find music. Or if you have any ideas or any suggestions for me, comment them down below and let me know, because it's hard. And I made my little intro myself, y'all, so I love that y'all are enjoying it. I just wanted something super simple. I wanted something cute, like how other YouTubers have it, kinda, but I still wanted it kind of like nice, sleek, and simple. Y'all know I'm a minimalist. Anyways, enough of me talking. This clip has been going for 10 minutes now, almost. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you're not subscribed, honey, what you doing? What you doing? I'm gonna wait for you to subscribe, and then we're gonna head on out. Okay? Now that you're an angel, babe, I will see you in my next vlog. Bye, y'all.